Hola, buenos días. Welcome back to the Daily Word Builder. Hoy estamos en página 150 of the Language Learning Journal, and we're doing the Daily Word Builder. Today we're doing por medio de, and this means through or by means of. Por ejemplo, you might be in need of some help through the embassy if you're living abroad, and that's la embajada. So you might get in contact with somebody por medio de la embajada. Or you might need a translator. So we find everything out por medio de un traductor. That might be a useful word for you también. Por medio de un traductor. You might meet somebody through a friend por medio de un amigo común. All right, so it's not a mutual friend. That's not what they're saying. They're not saying mutual, they're saying común. We would say a mutual friend en español, por medio de un amigo común. So what I'm interested in is yo aprendo español por medio de mis amigas peruanas, por medio de los libros que leo. So I want to know cómo aprendes español. Could you please finish this sentence for me in the comments box below? And the sentence starts, aprendo español por medio de ... I look forward to reading your responses, por favor. Y hasta mañana. Adiós.